Welcome! In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to convert fractions into decimal form using long division. By the end of this video, you will be able to perform these conversions and identify repeating decimal patterns. Let's look at our first example, converting the fraction 3/11 into a decimal. To do this, we set up a long division where we divide 3 by 11. Now notice that 3 is smaller than 11. Because of this, 11 cannot go into 3. To proceed, we place a 0 and a decimal point in our quotient. Adding that decimal point allows us to append a 0 to our dividend, turning 3 into 30. Now we ask, how many times does 11 go into 30? It goes in twice, because 11 times 2 is 22. Subtracting 22 from 30 gives us a remainder of 8. We bring down another 0 to make it 80. 11 goes into 87 times, since 11 times 7 is 77. Subtracting 77 from 80 leaves us with 3. Notice something interesting? We are back to the number 3, which is what we started with. If we add another 0 to make it 30, 11 goes into 30 twice again, and then into 87 times again. This pattern of 2 and 7 will keep repeating forever. We write this as 0.2727, followed by dots to show it continues. To write this more concisely, we use dots over the repeating digits. The dots over the 2 and the 7 indicate that the sequence 2-7 repeats infinitely. Now, let's look at our second example, which is a bit more complex. Converting the fraction 95/37 into a decimal. We start by setting up our long division, dividing 95 by 37. Unlike the last example, 95 is larger than 37, so we can start dividing immediately. How many times does 37 go into 95? 37 times 2 is 74, while 37 times 3 would be 111, which is too high. So, we put a 2 in the quotient. Since 37 doesn't go into 21, we place a decimal point in the quotient and add a 0 to our remainder, making it 210. Now, 37 goes into 210 5 times. 37 times 5 is 185. Subtracting 185 from 210 leaves us with 25. We add another 0 to get 250. 37 goes into 256 times, as 37 times 6 is 222. Subtracting 222 from 250 gives us 28. Adding a 0 makes it 280. Finally, 37 goes into 287 times. 37 times 7 is 259. Subtracting 259 from 280 gives us a remainder of 21. Take a look at that remainder, 21. We've seen this before. If we add a 0, we get 210 again, and the sequence 5, 6, 7 will start to repeat. Just like before, we use dots to show the repeating part. We place a dot over the 5 and a dot over the 7 to show that the entire block from 5 to 7 repeats. In summary, we've successfully converted both fractions. 3/11 becomes 0.27 repeating, and 95/37 becomes 2.567 repeating. You've now mastered long division for repeating decimals.